Hey, I'm Josh. I've been working here for about 2 years. Was originally brought here for the Murray High Pumpkin Palooza that J&G sets up every year. Brett afterwards asked me, any of you want a job? I was the only person that raised my hand, and he said, meet me on Monday. And he had me fill out paperwork, and that Monday I was shadowing Brad. So he put me right to work right as I filled out the paperwork, and I've been working here since.
1 year we got Josh down here, super good kid, really hard worker, graduated last year and he's decided to stick with us, and he's going to school for automotive at Slick right now, and so it's been a really good experience.
I was part-time for about a year, working 2 hours after school, and then recently I was just bumped up to full-time. Well, I like working on transmissions. I like working under Jason here. You learn something new every day with Jason, whether it's something you wanted to know or something that you didn't know that you needed to know. I like working on cars. It's a great career and they're not going away anytime soon.